Hi, my name is Jeremy and I'm part of the Kajabi team. In today's video, we're going to compare Kajabi with LearnWorlds. While both platforms allow you to create and promote online courses, there are some key differences that are important for knowledge entrepreneurs to be aware of. Keep watching so you can find out which platform will be right for you and your business. First, we'll discuss what each platform is and what they were primarily made for. LearnWorlds is an online course platform built for creating, selling, and promoting online courses. It's mainly used for compliance training, continuing education, and employee onboarding. LearnWorlds allows you to create either free, paid, private, or drip-fed courses, all of which can be used for most industries. While LearnWorlds has excellent course building tools, it was not designed to promote and sell digital products. This means for knowledge entrepreneurs, you'll have to integrate third-party tools to make your course into a profitable business. On the other hand, Kajabi was built as an all-in-one business platform for knowledge entrepreneurs. Kajabi has an extensive course builder, but we also have more tools to help you take your business to the next level. For example, we have a website builder, podcasting, email marketing software, and more. One of the biggest things that sets Kajabi apart from LearnWorlds is its coaching tool. With the coaching tool, creators can make single or multiple session coaching programs that include scheduling time with your clients, progress tracking, and note-taking, all from the same dashboard. If you have coaching in mind, or if you're looking for more of a one-stop shop for your online business, Kajabi would probably be the best platform to use. As we just mentioned, building courses is a prime feature of both LearnWorlds and Kajabi. So let's break down what it's like to produce a course with both platforms. An advantage of both platforms is that they are intuitive and easy to use. We know you're happy to hear that. And when I say easy and intuitive, I mean that there's a video hosting and drag and drop interface that makes building courses a breeze. However, a key difference with Kajabi is in its product blueprints. These are fully customizable and pre-made outlines that make it easier to build a successful course from scratch. There are blueprints for mini courses, online courses, and even drip courses, so you'll be covered for whatever you're looking to make for your students. Both platforms also have built-in video hosting. All you do is upload your videos to the platform and publish your lesson. In LearnWorlds, students have the abilities to add highlights and notes. With Kajabi, students are given a comment section where they can discuss and ask questions. And don't worry, both platforms offer assessments so you can test your students to make sure they aren't slacking off. Now, another feature that sets Kajabi apart when it comes to making your online course is automations. Automations make sure that you're saying the right message at the right time. For example, when a student completes a lesson, you could send them a coupon or enroll them in an email flow based on their engagement levels. That way, you're contacting them based on what they need and their interest level, so you aren't spamming everyone who has signed up for your courses. No one likes being email spam. Promoting and monetizing your content is essential for knowledge entrepreneurs. Traditionally, many platforms have made it difficult for creators, but not anymore. Let's dig into the marketing tools offered by both platforms. First step, email marketing. LearnWorlds has a drip email feature, but there are some caveats. It's not a full-fledged email marketing software, so it limits your email marketing capabilities. Plus, you have to add a user 24 hours before you can even send an email to them. This means that your leads can get colder before you get a chance to get in touch. Because Kajabi is more of an all-in-one platform, you'll have access to our full email marketing suite, where you can send one-off emails, build email campaigns, and even create a paid newsletter. Both platforms offer landing pages for offer lead magnets and capturing leads, but Kajabi also includes sales funnels, aka pipelines, that will help you turn your leads into customers. This is essential for monetizing the content you create so you can see a higher return faster. For payment gateways, LearnWorld uses Stripe, PayPal, Shopify, and PagSeguro, while the top ones for Kajabi are Stripe and PayPal. Oh, and we can't forget to talk about affiliate programs. Both LearnWorlds and Kajabi have affiliate programs that will help you create your partnerships to sell your courses or coaching programs. And you can become an affiliate for both platforms too. LearnWorlds pays 30% commission per referral, and Kajabi pays 30% commission for as long as your signups are active. Now you have your courses, but where will they live? Kajabi can integrate your website and your digital products into one tool. So we can host your website, and our platform also includes many tools for you to customize it to your business. There's a theme store that has a variety of designs, so you don't have to worry about creating your own. Plus, this is where you'll find the landing page builder and automation tools to build your sales pipelines. Similarly, LearnWorlds has a website builder with customizable templates, elements, and widgets. Users said that there is some limited ability to edit the footer or contact forms, which might make sections of your site feel off-brand. Creating your course and site might be fun, but we can't forget to talk about analytics. With the Analytics tab in your Kajabi account, you can find data on net revenue, subscription metrics, page views, opt-ins, product progress, offers sold, and more. Knowing this information will help you make the right decisions on what to change in your courses and which emails are performing the best and so on. On the flip side, LearnWorlds has a report center that lets you track user segments, advanced user progress, and course insights. But remember, overall, it will be less analytic information as the platform itself has fewer features. We know building a course or a coaching program might seem intimidating at first, which is why we want to look for some helpful resources to guide you. LearnWorlds Academy has a lot of free resources to help you create a successful online university. You'll be able to access guides about video-based learning, remarketing, and email marketing. It also has a thorough blog and offers daily webinars that will help you learn more about the e-learning industry itself. Depending on the plan you purchase, more priority will be given to you for email customer support. In other words, for the highest plan, you'll receive premium support. Here at Kajabi, we have multiple ways for our users to learn how to create the best courses as well as a successful brand. Kajabi University hosts courses about everything you need to create your online business. Whether it's about creating courses, email campaigns, or website help, we have you covered. And it doesn't end there. Our blog is updated regularly with in-depth how-to articles on how to maximize the ROI of your business. Plus, you can attend virtual meetups and daily webinars so you can talk to your fellow Kajabi users to get their tips and tricks. With the basic, growth, and pro plans, Kajabi offers customer success activation call, and after that, chat support for every user. For growth and pro users, this chat support is 24/7. When looking at support options, it's clear that while LearnWorlds has some helpful resources, limited email support could cause lags in your business. And that's why Kajabi makes more sense for those looking for a more personalized support experience. It's finally time to talk about the juicy stuff, pricing. LearnWorlds offers 4 plans. The starter plan at $29 a month with a $5 fee for every course sale. The next is the Pro Trainer at $99 a month. And then there's the Learning Center at $299 a month. And lastly, they offer a high volume and corporate level with custom pricing. While Kajabi's 3 plans range from $149 to $399 per month. At a glance, LearnWorlds seems cheaper, especially on the lower plan levels. But that's because Kajabi is an all-in-one platform with multiple other tools available for you and your online business. Kajabi allows you to sell coaching programs, digital downloads, and podcasts. And don't forget the integrations, because Kajabi includes content creation tools and sales and marketing features, so you won't have to spend money or integrate with third-party tools like you would if you chose LearnWorlds. When you take that into consideration, Kajabi overall is a better deal and investment. When you compare Kajabi and LearnWorlds on course building alone, they're very similar in their offerings with easy to build courses and ways to keep your students engaged. But when you take a step back and you compare them as a whole, Kajabi has a lot more advantages as a true all-in-one business platform built for knowledge entrepreneurs. If you're looking for a platform that will not only help you with your courses, but also help you with your email marketing, your sales funnels, and more, Kajabi would be the better option for you. No matter where you're at with your online business, try Kajabi today. Click the link in the description down below and you can get a 14-day free trial so you can see why it's the right choice. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more.